Okay, so my during reading strategy was sketch to stretch. So this during reading strategy is best used during the reading. Typically, when you're reading just like an article, could be a book. Typically used when there is no illustrations in the book or article. It can be used to help visualize text, and this can be used in partners or individually. So, my article was about throwing the perfect spiral, and here is just a little portion of the article. It talks about how the ball is thrown. It's thrown on the axis. Here it says. And then also down here on the bottom, it says that it makes a parabola. So, like, you'll have the students read the article, and then they will, while they're reading it, they will draw a little sketch of what they see throughout the article. So here my next slide is just some players or people throwing a football. See, he's got the football here and he's throwing it in the parabola, which is almost like a U shaped, like an upside down U. And then the little spirals here are the ball spinning at the axis. So this can be very useful for all ages and can be great to be used in the classroom.